play with Martha.
Okay, and what do you got here?
We have a Cricut machine, but it looks like it's a very special Martha color champagne.
Are you allowed to drink and Cricut at the same time?
I think most people just obviously do.
Okay, that's just a prop. Just a prop.
Super excited to see.
Fabulous imagery as the skull and frame, the spider web with spider. That's a pretty one, right? The bat and the bat and the frame.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm on the.
Oh, I like.
We are looking at things we can cut on her phone and then
Say hi.
so cool.
Okay, let's see.
She's really fast.
We gotta pick something good. That cat is gonna take too long. I like the witches. I like those. Those are cute. All right, so we're gonna insert that. It'll say you have 12 inches, and then down here is to 12 inches. So we're looking at about 8 inches wide by 9 inches high, and we have 12 by 12 to use.
Oh, wow, we're doing it.
Like the materials you should be able to.
The vinyl.
Yep, the vinyl and iron-ons. You should be able to.
Sometimes.
We got something.
What did I make?
I don't want it bad enough. Oh, that's so cool.
You do the back, and you do another 30